Here's how to upgrade SONiC using an FTP server. This guide is for a single switch. If you have a pair of switches in MC lag, search for our video on that topic or follow the link in the description. You'll need access to an FTP server and the SONiC image. Download the image from your Dell My account. For more information, see KB article 180674. This is not a comprehensive guide. Before attempting an upgrade, please read the SONiC installation and upgrade guide carefully. In particular, check the Configuration Migration Support section to confirm upgrade compatibility. Before upgrading SONiC, first upgrade the ONI software, then the networking firmware. These are available on dell.com/support. The switch will have to be restarted as part of the process. We recommend scheduling a maintenance window to do this. Connect your switch with a terminal emulator. Here we're using PuTTY. Once connected, run SONiC-CLI to enter the Management Framework CLI. Before proceeding, save and back up your switch configuration. Run write memory to save the running configuration to the startup configuration. Then use the copy startup-configuration command to back up the config to your FTP server. Optionally, as an extra precaution, run show running-configuration pipe no-more. Copy the output and paste it into a text file on your workstation. Use the copy command to transfer your image to the switch. Then image install to begin the installation. Run show image status to check the progress. It usually only takes a couple of minutes to complete. Run show image list to check that next displays the correct image. Then run reboot to reboot the switch. When the reboot is complete, log back into the switch and run SONiC-CLI. Then show version to confirm the OS version is correct. The OS upgrade is now complete. If you made any other changes, remember to save your configuration with write memory before quitting. Thanks for watching.